Alright friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up APX Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this, and don't forget to like the tutorial for more tutorials like this. So first step, we're going to open our Google Play Store, and then once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search for this VPN application, which is APX Tunnel VPN. Now this tutorial is for research, information, educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So you're going to download this application in your device, and then after downloading, you're going to install, and after installing, you're going to open. Now, once you open this application, APX Tunnel VPN, you're going to be able to connect to a secure connection. So the first step, you're going to allow all the permissions that will be requested to you by this application, and the second step, you're going to join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. So before doing anything with this application, you're going to first come in the top left corner onto those four circular icons, and then tap onto them, then select the online update. Now you're going to wait for this application to update the servers. Now the process of updating the servers requires a running data bundle, so make sure that you either connect to an active Wi-Fi or either connect or buy some data bundles so that you can be able to update this application in servers. Then check OK. Now the first step you're going to come, it will be the second step right now. You're going to come where you see auto select server, and then you're going to look for any server that is from your country or that is near to your country's location. But if you're not able to spot out that server, kindly keep in the auto select server. Now lastly, you're going to come where you see Wi-Fi and data, and then you're going to come and see all those servers that will be recommended to you. There will be those servers. Connect to any of those servers, but if you want to connect to the first server, come and tap all networks right here, and then you'll be able to look for your countries. You will look for your country's server. Make sure that you can also search right here by tapping right here, and then search for you and type in your country's name, and then you'll be able to see the recommended servers. But I'll also recommend a UDP server only if your country supports the UDP protocol. You can tap all country UDP if your country supports the UDP protocol, and you can also come and tap right here. But I do recommend mostly for you to tap into your country's server and then connect to your country's server before trying out the UDP protocol. You can tap again so that you can check whether it can be able to connect, and that's it. Mine has connected successfully. Thanks for supporting Tech. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Tech, and I sign out.